Hello everyone, welcome again to GIS ePathshala. So today we are going to start from question number 4. So question number 4 is that find the product. So we have to find the multiplication of the given number without direct multiplication. Here we have not do the direct multiplication, but we have to use here some properties, and then we have to do the multiplication with use of the properties. So let me see which property we can use over here. So our first sum is 738 multiplied by 103. So here if we want to use here a property, so in place of 103 we have to write down 100 plus 3. So let me see. So in place of 103 I can write 100 plus 3. So 100 plus 3 is equal to 103 only. Now this 738 is multiplied with this both. Okay, so this is the distributive property. So 738 multiplied with both numbers. So this is the distributive property. So let me see. 738 multiplied by 100 plus 738 multiplied by 3. Okay, now 738 multiplied by 100. So 738 ones are 738 and 2 zeros are there. So you write down 2 zeros. 738 0 plus 738 multiplied by 3. Let me do 738 multiplied by 3. 738 multiplied by 3. 8 3s are 24, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 it's 11, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2 22. So it's 2 2 1 4. Now you just do simply addition of these two and you will get the answer. 0 plus 4 4, 1 plus 0 1, 2 plus 8 10. So 1 carry. 2 plus 3 5 plus carry 1 6 and 7. So we got here answer 76,014. So this way, if multiplication, we have to do the multiplication, but direct multiplication is not allowed. So we have to use the distributive property and do the multiplication in easier way. So now next sum, let me see next sum. 258 multiplied by 1000, 1008. So here what we have to do? 1000 plus 8. Okay friends, so let me do. Now 258 is multiplied with this both, means a distributive property, means 258 is distributed to both numbers, is distributed to 1000 and it also distributed to 8. So 258 multiplied by 1000 plus 258 multiplied by 8. Now 258 ones are 258 plus 258 8s are. So let me do here 258 8s are. 8 8s are 64. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 6 46. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4, so it's 20. So we got here 2064. Now simply addition of this both number, so we will get 2,60,064. So we got the answer 2,64,064. Now here I solved sum number 1 and sum number 3. So in question 4, total 4 sums are there. Out of these 4 sums, all are same. So the sum number 2 and sum number 4, you have to do it by yourself. So let me see the next question. So before solving the next question, let me see some basic idea. So students, if you are going to buy a chocolate from the market and the shopkeeper told you that one chocolate's price is 5 rupees. So you want to buy 10 chocolates. So how much rupees you have to pay? So simply you are doing the multiplication. 10 multiplied by 5, it's a 50. So 50 rupees you have to pay to the shopkeeper. Now you want to buy two different chocolates, okay, but price is same, 5 rupees chocolate, but you want to buy 5 munch and 5 perk. So what you have to do? 5 plus 5, 5 munch plus 5 perk. So 5 munch plus 5 perk multiply by 5, it's a price, means 5 plus 5 chocolates multiply by its price. So same phenomena we have to apply over here. So our question is this: a taxi driver filled his car tank with a पेट्रोल से उसकी टैंक फुल करवाता है 40 लीटर on Monday. 40 liter petrol he filled in his car on Monday, and 50 liter on the next day. He filled his car 40 liter on Monday and 50 liter on next day. So total petrol he filled in his car is equal to 40 plus 50. But here a cost of the petrol is given 44 rupees per liter. Means per liter means 1 liter petrol's price is rupees 44. So question is this: find the total price. So simply friends, here we have to apply rupees 44 multiply by total petrol. So total petrol 40 liter plus 50 liter. 40 plus 50. So which property is this? Distributive property is this. So you can do it by both method. You can also distribute 44 multiplied by 40 plus 44 multiplied by 50, or also you can do the direct multiplication over here. Let me do the direct multiplication, means 44 as it is, 40 plus 50, so it's a 90. Now 44 multiplied by 9. So let me do 44 multiplied by 9. 9 fours are 36, 3 carry. 9 fours are 36, 36 plus 3, 37, 38, 39. So it's a 3, 9, 6 and 1 0 is there, 0. So question is this: find the total price of the petrol on both day refilled. So we can say that total price of petrol is rupees 3,960. So let me write down the sentence. Okay, so this is our answer. Now question number 6, same question. The vendor supply. So you know that in the small villages, they the person they having the cow and buffaloes, they give this milk to the dairy. So a vendor supply 32 liter milk in the morning to the milk company and 68 liter milk in the evening. So total milk supplied by the vendor is 32 plus 68, but the price of the milk is rupees 45 per liter. So same question as we solved question number 5. So simply what we have to do, just rupees 45 multiplied by 32 plus 68. This is the total milk multiplied by 45. 45 is the price of the milk. So 45 multiplied by, if you do the addition of this both, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. So you will get the answer 45 ones are 45, 0, 0. 4,500 is the answer. So we can say that total price of the milk, the vendor have to pay rupees 4,500. So this way we can solve the sums. Now friends, let me see question number 7. So question number 7 is match the following. So first one, 425 multiplied by 136. So they just divide 136 into two part, 100 plus 30 plus 6. So now we can do it by the distributive property. So distributive of multiplication over addition. So one match the following answer is C. Now 2 multiplied by 49 multiplied by 50 is equal to 2 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 49. Just they change the order, okay, change the place. So we can say that this multiplication is the commutative property. So answer is A, commutativity under multiplication. Now next, 80 plus 20, 2005 plus 20, just change the order. So commutativity under addition. So here friends, we finish our exercise number 2.2. Thank you everyone, have a nice day. And friends, please write down these all examples in your notebooks with questions and send me the photographs. Daily I will not say that you have to write down in this notebook, but whatever content covered by me in the daily video, that all things you have to write down compulsorily in your fair book. Thank you everyone, have a nice day.